And still in Hong Kong, the region is reporting 63 new confirmed cases Tuesday. The source of 13 of these cases cannot be traced. And for the latest situation there, let me bring in our correspondent Anne Chung in Hong Kong. Hi there, Anne. What kind of impact will the temporary suspension of flights from the UK have on Hong Kong?
Yes, so from Tuesday onwards, all flights from the UK flying into Hong Kong are banned until further notice, and this is an unprecedented move, but authorities are saying it's necessary to prevent the spread of the coronavirus variant from the UK into Hong Kong, especially because this variant has been described as spreading rapidly out of control and has triggered global alarm. And Hong Kong is the first city in Asia to do this, and this would leave thousands of students stuck in the UK and unable to return home for the holidays, like for Christmas and for New Year's. And many parents in Hong Kong will have to spend this festive season without their children. Aside from students, some parents who are visiting their children in the UK with plans to return to Hong Kong are also stuck there. Meanwhile, immigration consultants say this will also likely delay those with immigration plans to the UK. Now, on top of that ban, those who recently returned to Hong Kong from the UK must now be quarantined at home for an extra week after the 14 days of isolation at designated hotels, and they will need to pass a third test after roughly the 19th day of arrival before they can leave isolation. Also, aircrew in Hong Kong who have been to the UK in the past 2 weeks have reportedly been ordered to self-isolate in designated hotels for 3 weeks. So far, at least 28 out of the 5,000 people who have arrived from the UK this month have tested positive for the virus, but none have the new virus variant so far, and authorities want to keep it that way.
Yeah, well, the holiday season is just around the corner, and what other measures are in place to control any possible spread of the dominant virus as well as this new strain from the UK?
Officials also announced that schools will be closed for 1 more week until January 10th. So this applies to face-to-face classes at kindergartens, primary and secondary schools, as well as tutorial schools. Now, there are some exceptions. Special arrangements can be made for primary 6 students to go back to school for assessments regarding secondary school placing, and Form 6 students can also go back to school for public exam lessons. However, all these sessions will be capped at half-day with limited capacity. Schools also have to remain open during the suspension period to accommodate students who don't have caretakers to watch over them at home. And aside from schools, officials have also announced that existing social distancing measures would be extended for another 2 weeks. So this includes the restaurant dine-in after 6 p.m., the shutting down of gyms, entertainment venues, and also beauty and massage parlors, and government staff working from home will continue to do so. So these measures have already been in effect for 2 weeks, and they were supposed to end after Wednesday, but now it's extended until January 6th. Now, Hong Kong has reported 63 new daily cases, which is the lowest in a month. So health authorities say they are cautiously optimistic that Hong Kong is beginning to see a drop in infections.
All right. Anne Chung bring us the latest from Hong Kong. Thanks so much.